We've been doing a lot of truck stuff lately. We got some truck mail here.
Truck mail?
What are you doing, crossing out your address?
Yeah.
Ain't nobody want to come see you.
I don't want one of these weirdos trying to come watch me get naked or something.
What we got in the boxes? Anything good?
Hopefully. This is the 4-link kit that I ordered. I forget the guy's name. We'll put his Instagram down below. He makes these for he makes a bunch of different setups. So this is his most expensive setup, and it's a 6-link bolt-in, powder-coated, done setup.
Nice.
So you can get it powder-coated, non-powder coated. You can get it weld-in or bolt-in. You can get a 4-link, or you can get the 6-link.
Does he just do Chevy stuff, or?
Yeah, he only makes stuff for a C10 or C20s and C30s. That's
Oh, okay.
all he makes.
All like 70s, 80s, 90s, all that?
Yeah, this body style. So 73 to 91.
Oh, okay.
He makes a Watts link kit for, I don't know exactly what it's for, but it's kind of universal.
Yeah.
He makes that, and I didn't order that. I went with a panhard bar instead. With a Watts link to change your diff fluid and stuff, you got to pull the link off, and I didn't want to deal with all that. So mostly just me being.
Is that his logo on the box? Yeah,
it looks like right here, this sticker.
Let me get around.
It's got a
here.
number on it.
Can't really read that.
Here's a better
looks like
sticker
it says
over here.
Alex V or something.
Yep. Alex V Metalworks.
Check it out. Ah, stickers. There we go. Alex V Metalworks. It's even got a phone number on it. Perfect. I think you already said that. Let's cut this stuff open, see what we got. It's like Christmas around here. Daggone.
Christmas.
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh.
What do we think about this packing job this guy did?
Dude, 10 out of 10 as far as the job.
Dude, so much bubble
1
wrap.
out of 10 as far as unwrapping it.
So much bubble wrap, so much shrink wrap, so much plastic. This guy did an excellent job wrapping this stuff. This stuff looks great. We're getting done. We're getting done slowly but surely. Getting it all unwrapped and laid out here. There he is with all of his metal pieces.
There's a lot of stuff. I guess this is what a bolt-on kit looks like.
All right. As long as we got bolts for all that, we're good.
I think so. I mean, this is all bolts over here. This is bolts. This is nuts and washers and inserts. These are all energy suspension bushings. And then our U-bolts to bolt it together. These are the parallel bars that will go from the axle. This is the axle. This will be the front of the truck. They'll go there. And they'll be like this, right? And then these are cantilever bars, which will be on the back side of the axle, like such. And the bag will sit here, and then there's a bag bracket over there that goes onto the frame. And so this is a steady point, and then this is what will raise and lower the truck over here. And they're beefy. They got this big old thingamajig in there.
A thingamajig?
Yep, I forget what it's called. A triangle. Make it strong. Anyways, it's kind of confusing how all this goes. But I kind of got it in my head. So this is the rear of the truck, and then this shackle goes here like this, and it goes onto this bracket, which goes over the axle like that. So it's like that. And then these two bars would be here, top and bottom. And then there's so much. So this is our chassis mount. So this will bolt to the chassis, and then the 4-link bars will go here and here towards the axle. And what else do we got? This is the rear mount for the cantilever bar here. And then we got bag brackets.
So is that the top of the bag?
Yeah, so the bag will go this way.
So what does that mount to? Does that go on the edge of the frame?
Yeah, this will go on the frame.
Interesting, interesting.
We'll have to look. I want to go over there and see where all this stuff kind of goes, you know, so we can figure it out. So these are our 3 brackets that we have to mount. This one will replace, here, Beau's over there, I'll go over there. It'll replace this hanger. So this spring hanger, this will go right there. So like this, but on the outside. And we'll have to put a bolt through here, but it'll bolt in. And honestly, I had him powder coat all this, but we're gonna grind it down on the edges and we're gonna burn it in anyways.
Oh.
So we'll mess up a little bit of the powder, but for the most part, most of it will be powdered. All the bars will be powdered and stuff.
Are we gonna be painting the frame at all?
Yeah, I'm gonna paint it all black when we're done.
Paint it all black? That'll look good.
This has 4 holes. And so I'm not real sure where this one goes. Maybe here? I don't know, they're really far apart. You can see.
Do the bags go on the outside or the inside of the frame?
Well, they have to go where the cantilever bar is, so they have to go on the outside. So they have to go here somewhere.
I guess probably what we'll have to do is we might have to contact this dude.
Yeah,
and
just
then talk to him and then shoot this really good video for him. So other people will know how to install it.
And that was kind of my plan. This is his first kit. We got his first kit that he's ever made.
001.
Yeah, so I figure we'll make a good video. That way it's up and then he can share it to people that buy the kit. He can be like, look, watch this series on how they did it. But we're gonna clean the whole side of the frame off. We gotta knock all the rivets out for these bump stops.
And that's the mount for the cantilever bar?
This is the mount for the parallel bars for the 4-link.
Oh, okay.
So this is the mount for the 4-link, which goes up there.
All of this is completely abstract to me.
And this
I
is
can't picture it in my
This
head.
is the cantilever bar here.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right.
So how it's gonna work is there will be the parallel bars here. And then on this side, the cantilever bar will be down and it'll come back and the bag will be here. And so the bag will push down on the cantilever bar to raise and lower the truck.
Okay.
And then we have a panhard bar that'll be in here once we're done.
And that's pretty much it for both sides, right?
Yeah.
It'll be that on one side and the same thing on the other side.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exact same setup on the opposite side. And then we just got to get the bags mounted wherever they go. But I did want to look at these and see if we could tell sort of where the bag's gonna go, you know, by putting it here. Because if it's gonna be something like that. So yeah, it's right in here where we were thinking. It's right in there.
I guess we'll figure it out once we get everything else off.
Once we get it off, it'll be a lot easier because we'll actually be able to start putting stuff together and seeing what's going on.
Dude, I don't know about you, but this truck looks pretty badass with the bed off of it.
It looks pretty ridiculous.
I know you don't like bedless trucks, but Ronnie hates flatbeds and bedless trucks, but I think they look super badass. Especially with the 2 like little nitrous tanks sitting back there. What do we say? 1,100 pounds this thing is?
Mm-hmm.
Dry?
Oh, shit ton. What exactly what it weighs? 1 shit ton.
That's so crazy. Are you almost done with it?
Yeah. So I got the P pump back on today. The motor's all timed.
P pump.
Paul has the front cover. He's powder coating it for us because I want to powder coat some stuff, but I'm not worried about making the truck pretty just yet.
You painted this, right?
I painted it. I just painted it black, gave it a good quick coat of black. You know, it looks better. It doesn't look perfect. It'll look good enough once it's in a hole. There's some broken exhaust manifold bolts that I got to do. Put the front cover on, put an alternator on it. And then I think the motor's ready to go in. Oh, I'm gonna do a rear main seal.
Okay.
I am gonna put a rear main seal in it. I've been a little bit lazy, mostly because I just don't want to take the flywheel off.
What is it, 8 nuts? 8 bolts?
I don't know, whatever it is. It's right there.
It's right there. Just do it.
So, it actually doesn't look like it's leaking, so I might leave it, but I should do it.
Just go ahead and get it done. Who wants to pull out their 1,100 pound motor again?
Well, I wouldn't pull out the motor,
break.
I'd pull out the tranny. It weighs half as much.
Whatever.
Most part, it's ready to go in.
Cool. So that'll go in. We'll put the front end back on.
Yeah.
We'll do the 6-link.
Yep.
And then
technically it's a 7-link, but
we'll do the 7. We'll do the 6.5 link.
So many links.
And then we'll put the bed back on, right?
Yeah.
And then you got to get wheels and tires for it?
Yeah, eventually.
So tomorrow, I'm going to be at work doing not much of anything. Ronnie's going to be here taking this 454 out of this
Hey,
beast.
don't tell them anything, just in case I don't do it.
I've just obligated him to get this done tomorrow. And then he's got to do the terrifying task of removing these giant springs down here. Look at those. Look at that spring. Look at that. Those things are so big. He's got to take those out, and he's probably going to like lose a leg taking them out or something. I'm probably sad. I shouldn't have said that because now it's going to happen. I'm going to feel super bad.
Nah, we'll be all right.
You'll be all right with one
We'll
leg?
be all right, yeah.
Cool.
It's automatic. We'll be all right with one leg.
But that's it. That's it for today. Y'all comment below. Tell Ronnie to get busy and get this 454 out tomorrow. Right, Ronnie?
I can't come out tomorrow. I just want to get it ready to come out tomorrow.
Right on. Right on. Don't get it done. We'll see y'all later.
Bye, guys.